Oh, okay, there she is with the baby again. Have you come back to chew on my bird feeder? Yes, you have. Guess who's chewing on my bird feeder? Oh my god, there are 3 of them. I know, but there's 3 of them. I thought she only had the one. Maybe she had twins last year. Because she didn't really stick around much last year at all. She's just sticking her tongue out. La 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 la. That's pretty cool. I didn't even think there were 3 of them. Seriously though, she's got to chew on my bird feeder. Stop chewing on my bird feeder! Oh my god, there's another one back there. There's 4 of them. You can barely see her. But she's back there. She's walking towards her. Oh, that just makes it blurry. Where'd the other one go? There it is. There's 4 deer. They're all trying to eat my bird feeder. Get out of there, you bum. Sure, now both of them are gonna eat the bird feeder. Yeah, let's eat that bird feeder. Yum, 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 yum. These deer do not care. Where'd the other 2 go? Oh, they're off in the yard. Okay, seriously, stop chewing on my bird feeder. Thank you. You little turds. And there they all go.